We know that buying a home in today's market may seem like an impossibility, but we are here to help. At K. Hovnanian Homes, we are offering a variety of programs to fit your needs and help you secure your next home. Learn about the two main ways that we can help you. First, our simple savings or flex cash options. Use these to add design or structural options, apply upgrades, reduce your closing costs, and more. How and where you use these savings are dependent on the home and the community offering it. Second are financing programs. These are a bit more complicated. In short, these are designed to reduce your interest rate below the current market rate and provide you with a lower monthly payment on your principal and interest, effectively making the home more affordable. The most popular options are a standard fixed rate reduction, which reduces the interest rate on your loan and is valid for the life of your loan. We also offer loan buy-downs, which can reduce your interest payments even further in years 1, 2, and 3 on your loan. Like savings and flex cash, these can vary by home or community. So it's always a good idea to speak to a sales consultant to understand what is available on the home you are interested in. Each K. Hovnanian community offers different programs on select homes, so it's best to contact a sales consultant and ask them what is available and how you can qualify. Whether you are looking for your first home or your next home, we've got programs that can help you close. Contact us today to learn more and learn why homeownership is closer than you'd think.